Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are bringing best engineering technical projects for you. So let's begin. We are helping hands for all types of engineering technical projects.
In this project work, we will see the project on pedal powered and solar powered washing machine. We can operate this machine manually as well as by using solar power. In this machine, we have used DC motor which run on battery. The battery we can charge by using solar panel. Also, the same project we can operate by using pedal power. The video is showing the working of developed machine. The pedaling action will give power to rotate the shaft of washing unit. Here, we have used the two drum, from which one drum is stationary and other is rotary, which is mounted on a main shaft. This project is very useful in village area. Also, it is very suitable for ladies and for senior citizen. The effort and stress required for cloth washing will get reduced drastically. The machine is portable and we can move the machine from one place to another easily. Also, maintenance is very low and it have very simple design. The video is showing the testing of the developed model.
We are helping hands for all types of engineering technical projects. Please do not forget like and share the video. Also give comments and feedbacks for our work. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos updates. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.